You do this every day. So do your friends. And your neighbors. All over the world. Charging our phones, tablets and laptops alone consumes around 100 billion watts of power globally each year, burning about 4,200 kilograms of coal each second.
Still running out of charge?
Presenting Vibe, the modern solution for our modern problems. All around us, objects are vibrating and making noise, creating the greatest reserve of untapped energy. Vibe makes the use of the latest in piezoelectronic technology to harness this power source, replacing electricity forever. No matter where you are, your Vibe device will absorb vibrations from all around you, storing it like a power bank. Its magnetic cover allows you to attach it to the back of your phone or to the base of your laptop. Just snap it onto your mobile device to never run out of charge again. Vibe also comes with a USB port for those who prefer to use a cable for charging. And the best part? It works with everything. Yep, that's right. Vibrations can charge your device. Enjoy effortless charging while helping to save the environment.
Stop charging. Start vibing.
Vibe.